How to make a portfolio using a Manila paper only. Today is another beautiful day. I want to show my people how to make a smart and amazing portfolio. What comes in your mind when you hear portfolio? Alright, a portfolio is a collection of a person's work or achievements. For a student, a portfolio may contain assignments, drawings, projects, photos, certificates, test papers, and the test papers you can either earn end-term exam, mid-term exam, or opener. Remember, you put your best exam there that you did well. Poems, shairi, and compositions also can be added in that portfolio. Best class work that you did well, either in group work and science projects. And what are the importances of using portfolio? A portfolio helps teachers, parents, see what the learner has done and learned over time. The word portfolio simply means where important work or documents are collected and neatly organized or neatly arranged. Information on the cover page. So cover page, this is the top cover where we have a title of the portfolio. That is the portfolio. So title is portfolio. My name, that is now your name. You write your name there and the mission number, and this is optional. Grade or class you are in. Now let's make together a good and amazing portfolio. Materials we need are Manila paper, ruler, pencil, glue or stapler if possible. So for us, we are going to use a glue, a pair of scissors, colored pens, transparent cover. And why are we using transparent cover? To prevent the portfolio from becoming dirty. Step-by-step guide. Let's make guide on how to make a portfolio. Fold your Manila paper after measuring both sides. That is 16 inches wide and 12 inches width. Create the front cover and write the following. Create the front cover and write the following. 1. Title. Our title here will be portfolio. Your name, grade, class, subjects, the year, and also do not forget to attach your passport. 3. And in a page, and these pages will hold assignments, photos, drawings, notes, and other projects that you are given by your teachers. Decorations. So under decorations, also known as finishing, so we are going to add borders and colors. Tazama ambavyo tumefanya zile borders. Use neat handwriting to write inside. Paste pictures carefully, as you can see. So for us, hatuna pictures because I'm just demonstrating on how to do a beautiful portfolio. So sisi tutatumia tu mfano wa pictures. We have selected picture A, picture B, picture C, and D. Ensure pages are well arranged for easy perusing or for easy opening. This video is helpful to both primary, junior, senior schools, and among others. So up to these points, napenda uangalie portfolio ambayo tumeangalia. Remember, portfolio is not hard. Si ngumu kutengeneza portfolio by the way. Hata ushaona. If you have a piece of Manila paper and a pair of scissors, without forgetting the other small materials like pencils, rulers, a long string, then you are ready to go. So this video is very helpful to both primary, junior school, and senior school. That is grade 10 to 12. Wanasaambia watengeneza a portfolio. So you can make your own portfolio, a beautiful one than this of mine. So tushindane tuone nani ambaye ata make a good and appeasing portfolio. So for me, I was just demonstrating on how you can do your own portfolio at home and the school. So for the schools which have that idea of sharing this video to their groups, like I have my own school here that is, so they depend on these videos for more for education. That is Benson Jao. So if you are a teacher or a parent watching this video from that beautiful school, so kindly remember to share still this in your group so that the learners will be able to make their own portfolio without a failure. So it's my happiness when I know the learners are benefiting from these videos and also teachings. So otherwise, thank you for watching this video up to this minute, and I would like to wish you all best of luck in your exams, in your preparations, and also in your projects. So bye and see you in the next video.